Vinny Guadagnino is ready to find love, and he's returning for a third season of Double Shot at Love to do it. In this exclusive premiere sneak peek, Vinny gets a pep talk from Pauly D before starting his journey. With Pauly D and Nikki still going strong after season 2 of Double Shot at Love with DJ Pauly D and Vinny Guadagnino, that leaves Vinny Guadagnino on a solo search for the one when season 3 premieres in September 16th. HollywoodLife has an exclusive preview of the premiere, which shows Vinny, Pauly and Nikki arriving at the resort to begin the process. "I am all about finding a real connection," Vinny admits. "I am more ready to do this than ever." Of course, Pauly and Nikki are proof that the Double Shot at Love process does work, and they're back this season to offer Vinny advice and guidance. "I'm feeling really good about this, dude," Pauly says. "I have a good feeling for you." After many years of being single, Vinny is admittedly ready to find love, not lust, and he's ready to trust the process in order to do it. "I want to put everything on the table, the good part of me, the bad part of me," Vinny tells Pauly. "If there's anyone I can trust with this, it's you. It will be fed up, but I trust you." Pauly urges Vinny to embrace the situation and have hope, and assures him that he's hopeful for him. After the conversation, he heads back to his room with Nikki and gives fans an update on their budding relationship. Related gallery. Jersey Shore cast then and now, photos. "The pandemic, for us, actually strengthened our relationship," Pauly reveals. "It got me to stay put in one place, to focus and give the relationship the attention it deserves." The two moved in together when the COVID quarantine started in 2020, and it's made them stronger than ever. "At this point, nothing can break us," Nikki gushes. "Everything else doesn't matter." The clip ends with footage of what's to come from the rest of the season, including cameos from Vinny and Pauly's Jersey Shore co-stars, Jenny J. Wow Farley, Nicole Snooki Polizzi and Angelina Pivarnik. Double Shot at Love airs Thursdays beginning September 16th at 8 p.m. on MTV.